For this particular problem, notice that we have two terms being added, and both of them are perfect cubes. The first one is a perfect cube because 27x cubed is 3x times 3x times 3x. And the second one is a perfect cube because 125 is 5 times 5 times 5. That means we have our pattern called a sum of cubes. On a sum of cubes, you have a perfect cube added to another perfect cube. And that always factors into the cube root of the first term here, plus the cube root of the second one in the first parentheses, multiplied by this item right here, squared in your second parentheses, minus both items in the first parentheses multiplied together, plus the last thing in the first parentheses, squared. Let's use this pattern to factor this. The cube root of 27x cubed was 3x. The cube root of 125 was 5. So the first parentheses has those added together since it was a sum. We will use these terms to create the second parentheses. We first, for right here, need to square this 3x. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared. For the next thing, we'll subtract from that these things in the first parenthesis multiplied together. So 3x times 5 is 15x. And then for the last term in this second parenthesis, we'll add on the second term in our first parenthesis squared. And 5 times 5 is 25. So our final solution, completely factored, is the quantity 3x plus 5 times the quantity 9x squared minus 15x plus 25.